Assalamualaikum and greetings to the recruitment team at Bank Negara Malaysia. My name is Ahmad Syamir and I am currently serving as an Assistant Audit Director at Jabatan Audit Negara, and this is my personal statement video. My professional journey has always been centered on one thing: integrity in financial reporting. I started my career in the private sector with RS Associates and later on Sunway Berhad, where I built a strong foundation in full cycle auditing as well as risk management processes. However, my current role at Jabatan Audit Negara has truly defined my capability, leading audits for major public sector entities and universities has given me exposure to the complex and sometimes unique financial challenges that statutory bodies faces every day. I understand that the analyst role within the financial accounting team requires someone who doesn't just follow standards but understands how to develop and advise on them, especially regarding MFRS and the Central Bank of Malaysia Act. This aligns perfectly with my experience in my current role. I get the privilege to analyze governance gaps. For example, we recently uncovered a significant RM1 million contract breach regarding scholarship oversight. This required deep investigation into contractual obligations and financial policy, skills which I know are crucial when developing accounting policies for Bank Negara Malaysia. Furthermore, I know this role support the treasury team, often requiring manual interventions and keen eyes for error. And RS Associates, I specialize in fraud and error identification and also take pride in efficiency. I once revamped a client's documentation process that reduced audit turnaround time by 60%, and I plan to bring the same eye for detail and efficiency to your monthly and fortnightly closing processes. So the question here is, why Bank Negara Malaysia? Working at Jabatan Audit Negara has instilled in me a deep sense of duty to the nation. I regard Bank Negara Malaysia as a key institution in managing Malaysia's financial and economic stability, and my motivation is to transition from an external observer who audits the public sector to an internal strategic partner who helps safeguard the institution's financial integrity from the inside. I am fascinated by the intersection of policy and practice, and I want to apply my experience to the diverse and sometimes unconventional accounting practices I've seen across government agencies to help the institution navigate its own complex financial landscape. I envision contributing to the institution not just as an accountant but as a problem solver, whether it's ensuring deadlines are met or proposing a solution for a complex transactions that deviates from the standard MFRS, and I am ready to step up. Thank you for your time and for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to serve Bank Negara Malaysia.